Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today we're making egg roll in a bowl, and it starts now. Here we go. To make egg roll in a bowl, we're going to need the following ingredients: ginger, garlic, sausage, soy sauce, shredded cabbage, and green onions for garnish. This is one of my favorite meals to make because it's quick and simple and easy. The first step is to brown up the sausage. Now that we have our sausage in the pan, we're going to get the heat on and we're going to break it up into crumbles. It's going to be smelling good here in a few minutes. Another thing that I like about this meal is that it's one pot. Everything we do is going to be in this one pot. And I did the calculations, and I think it's only going to cost about $5 for the entire meal, and it feeds probably about 4 people. So it's a good deal in my book. Now that the meat's started to brown, what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in the garlic and ginger. Normally I would buy both of these at the store as the root and grate it in, but they didn't have any ginger, so I just went ahead and bought the pre-grated stuff. We want to add it in now so it doesn't burn. We're just going to give that a good stir. It looks like it's almost done. It's smelling so good in here, guys. Can't wait to eat it. So there's really not a lot of grease in here, so what I've done is I've just pushed it to the side. It's pretty easy cleanup. So our meat is cooked and drained. We're gonna go ahead and add our shredded cabbage. Just dump that right in. Yeah, so you can buy a whole head of cabbage and slice it yourself. That's probably the most cost-effective way, but what I did is I just bought it pre-cut, pre-sliced in a bag. And it even comes with carrots. You can also buy it without carrots. So to this, we're just gonna add about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Drizzle it over the top. We're gonna give that a little stir. And then we're gonna turn the heat down to about medium, low medium. We are going to cover it with a lid to trap the moisture. And we're gonna let that set for about 10 minutes until we're ready to eat. Can't wait. Normally, I do not enjoy cabbage. I don't like the taste of it, but you can't even tell that this is cabbage when you eat it. It's so good because it takes on the flavor of the soy sauce and the sausage. It's really good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut our green onions. It makes it look pretty and it tastes good. While this is still cooking, I did want to tell you a few things. We're going to leave the lid on the entire time because we want to capture the moisture that's in there. Also, this meal is pretty flexible, so if you like your cabbage have a little more texture to it and crunchy, you can take the lid off and eat it. It's ready to go. I personally like it a little more softer. And you can also add more soy sauce, do less soy sauce. You can use that light, low sodium soy sauce. It's really your texture. Oh, also with the sausage, I used mild. If you like hot, do hot. My husband likes sriracha, so he'll add sriracha on top later. Another thing you can do is add in, at the very end, you can add in a touch of the sesame oil and give it a good flavor as well. So it's versatile. You can do whatever you like. If you don't like green onions, if you don't like the carrots, don't put it in there. If you love soy sauce, add a little bit more. So just make it your own. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys take a peek at what it looks like right now. I would normally say don't do this, but we will. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good stir so you can see how the cabbage is starting to get tender and it's wilting a little bit. It's soaking up all of the flavor from the sausage and soy sauce, the ginger, the garlic. It is looking really good and coming together. If you want to go ahead and eat this now, it'll be slightly crunchy, yes. If you want it more tender and soft, let it cook a little longer. Hey guys, I've really been enjoying making these videos and I hope you've been enjoying watching them. If you want to help, you can. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to give it a taste test at this point to see if the texture is the way I like it, and also to see if it needs any additional flavor with the soy sauce. The texture is pretty good. There is some crunch in the cabbage still. It's really flavorful. I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce and stir that around a bit. It looks so good and it smells amazing. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and add in the green onions for flavor and color. And as I mentioned before, you can use sesame oil. So the heat's off, we're just going to add in about a tablespoon. And this adds so much flavor. A little bit goes a long way. All right, it's ready to eat. Let's serve it up and see how it tastes. It smells so good. We've got cabbage, we've got sausage, green onion, ginger, garlic. So many good flavors. And again, it's pretty healthy for you. And for someone that's not a vegetable lover, well, it tastes pretty good. It keeps falling off. Here we go. Definitely need to make this one.